This is the most remote island on Earth. The nearest landmass from this island is over 1,600 kilometers away. The nearest town is approximately 2,200 kilometers away. Glaciers here fall directly into the South Atlantic Ocean, and getting here requires weeks by ship through some of the world's most violent waves. This is Bouvet Island, the most remote island on the planet. I'm sure you've heard the saying, middle of nowhere, and sometimes it's a bit exaggerated, but trust me, Bouvet Island sits in the middle of nowhere, floating in the South Atlantic Ocean, roughly 2,500 kilometers southwest of South Africa and 1,600 kilometers north of Antarctica. It's actually a Norwegian territory, despite being nearly 13,000 kilometers from Oslo. And the island itself, well, it's tiny, just 49 square kilometers of volcanic rock, about the size of a small town. But what it lacks in size, it makes up for in extremes. Because Bouvet Island is covered in glaciers. Ice cliffs here rise to over 500 meters high, and they drop straight into the churning sea. Interestingly, this is actually a shield volcano that emerged from the sea floor, part of the mid-Atlantic ridge, where tectonic plates are still pulling apart to this day. The island is young in geological terms, probably less than 1 million years old, and it's still potentially volcanically active. And if you think the geography is extreme, well, the weather here is brutal. Temperatures rarely climb above freezing. Winds howl constantly. Fog shrouds the island for most of the year, and storms from the Antarctic circumpolar current batter its shores relentlessly. Only a handful of expeditions have ever landed here. In 1927, the first confirmed landing took place, and then in 1964, an automated weather station was established here and promptly destroyed by an earthquake and landslide. Today, the island is of course uninhabited, unreachable for most of the year, and unvisited for years at a time. And as always, if you like content like this, give this video a like. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.